Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the innovative world of the NARWAL Freo robot vacuum and mop combo. A cutting-edge cleaning solution that combines vacuuming and mopping with advanced features like Dirtsense Ultra Clean technology, which intelligently detects the dirtiness of mop pads and cleans them with precision. This remarkable device not only self-cleans, washes, and dries but also makes optimal cleaning decisions with its Freo Mode, redefining auto-cleaning logic in your home. Thanks to its Smart Swing Mopping and corner traps technology, the Freo tackles dust and stains along walls and baseboards that other robots might miss, ensuring a spotless finish. Its patented high-speed spinning mop pads apply a 12N downward force, providing a deeper and safer clean on various flooring types, from vinyl and tile to hardwood and marble, without leaving streaks. With 3 mop drying modes, the Freo ensures that mop pads are thoroughly dried using dual air tunnels with gentle heat, making every mopping session simple and sanitary. Plus, with its user-friendly LCD display, Wi-Fi, and app control, managing your cleaning routine has never been easier. Remember, for optimal performance, connect your NARWAL Freo to a 2.4G Wi-Fi network, ensuring seamless operation and stability.